Yo, um, I'm guessing right now nobody is here, which is fine. Hold up. Let me quickly set everything up. Uh, set everything up. Yeah. Is the chat working? Yes, yes it is. Okay, perfect. Um, all right. Oop, oop, it is loading. Probably nobody's here at this moment, which is fine. I'll explain what I'm gonna do today in this live stream, which may or may not interrupt at any second. But right now, hold up. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes and then I'll start. Yeah, I've got no background music, which is like okay, which is whatever. I am also gonna open up Minecraft in the background. Doubt Minecraft is visible. Oh, yeah, wait, it is. That's nice. Um, Hopefully there is no uh previously there was a lot of lag with this. I think there is none right now. Okay, great. Let me just do one more thing. All right. Probably nobody is in the chat, but that's fine. I think I've waited long enough. I should probably start. And I don't have a whole day either, so I may as well. Hold up. Okay, so today, what I want to do is make, I mean, if you can see the stream title, what I want to do is make a Minecraft video player using command blocks, of course, but the idea is that, there will be a kind of a screen and there will be frames that will be like saved up later on, and using commands, using the clone commands and all that, I want to make a kind of it like the screen could kind of animate basically, using like command blocks, scoreboards and all that stuff. Okay, so if I bring the screen here, hello chat, you can see the OBS. The topic for this week, this is from the Wi-Fi's LAN server. I'm kind of semi-active there, but they kind of host events there, and one of these events is the weekly art contest that occurs every single week, in quotations because it doesn't, but most of the time it does. And this week's theme is Minecraft. Now, I mean, if you have not seen my channel yet for some reason, I do a lot of Minecraft, so I really wanted to do something Minecraft. I really wanted to make something for this team. I'll be honest, I am not that good at art. I am not that good at drawing, right? So, I mean, okay, like I'm not terrible at it, but I'm not that great either. So my idea was to, go into this contest not with a traditional drawing, but somehow converting an existing, okay, maybe not existing, somehow converting some sort of Minecraft gameplay into Minecraft blocks and then animating in itself in Minecraft in like kind of a screen idea. So this is my plan. The problem is that this topic was given, if you look at the today's date and this date when the topic was given, there's kind of a difference. There's only 5 days difference, but like close enough. The problem is the contest ends at this time today, which okay, there we have a few hours here. It's 9:31 p.m. In Eastern Standard Time, this would be 6:30 a.m. my standard time. So tomorrow, problem is that I have to sleep. Yeah. Okay, like I don't do much stuff during the night. So I basically only have a couple of hours to make what I wanted to make. So I have kind of it all planned out. And okay, you know what? Let's go into Minecraft. Hello, we are back to Minecraft. Let me show you the basic idea of it. So say, let's get world edit. Actually, you know what? World edit is kind of boring. Let's just get some blocks. It doesn't exactly matter. Whatever. Okay, let's make kind of a screen. Let's go here. Let's actually, you know what? I have Axiom. Axiom is honestly a fantastic node. Highly recommend. Anyway, let's tag this. So this is, let's say this is our screen. I mean, it doesn't exactly have to be anything special. Assume this is our screen. What I want to do in some sense is, okay, you know what? Let's tag this screen and let's have a gap between each, and let's go few floor blocks, and let's try to create a quick animation. Let's for just to get some practice out of the way, let's make a quick animation. My stream is lagging. This is horrible. My internet is already dying, or is it dying? My phone is not loading anything, or at least it's lagging right now. Is it fine? Or at least it's lagging right now. Okay, I think it's fine. I don't know why it was lagging. Okay, regardless, let's go back again. Okay, let's say we have a row of frames that we want to animate. Let's make a quick sun. Why am I typing sun? Let's get a yellow concrete. Not even sun, let's say there's a yellow concrete. This is yellow wool, isn't it? Yeah, it's this. Okay, let's say this wool is going downwards. We are making an animation, say. Doesn't have to be anything special. Just let it go down. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, we are basically just animating it. It doesn't exactly matter. I am messing up. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. And let's go here. I think this is good enough. So in some sense, you can see this yellow block is basically kind of going down. Of course, it's divided into multiple frames. The idea is that we have one main screen frame, whatever, in front of all of these. And using command blocks, if I get a command block, why is that not enabled? Accessibility. Was there not a command? Was there not like a thing you could enable to see that, see the blocks and all that? Can't really find it. It's probably not in the video settings. Why would it be here? Controls, yeah, okay, this, okay, whatever. Say we get a command block, and let's keep it fixed. Let's set the frame to be this one. Let's get some black concrete, and we are going to put our screen in front of this. So let me stack this up, something like this. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. And two. Maybe this is too big. Perfect. Okay. So let's say our screen goes from this block, which is, let's note down the coordinates. So -12, -60, -26 to this block to the top, and this is where our screen will go. So this is -37, -46, -26. Okay, this is the coordinates of our screen, and the idea is we'll use command blocks. Maybe we'll also put some redstone. Temporarily, we'll use redstone. In the actual creation, what I want to do is just automate it using scoreboards. But let's have a command block, and it detects from here to there, which is some coordinates. How do I figure this out? This to this. So this is -12. We are going 13, 14, 15, and all that. Okay. What is the difference? -12, -37. We are decreasing. So 37, 36, 35, 25. Okay, -25. So we do /clone column. I guess we are starting one besides it. So the clone command starts from this block, but we are going one further. And then we want to go 37 -12, which is 25 more blocks to the left. So again, something, then 25 more blocks. So that will be -26. Okay, let's check the y coordinate. We are going from -46 to 60. So this is current height to 60, 46 to 60. That's 16. So we can go from 16, and I think the z coordinate is fine. So this will clone this region, hypothetically, of course. And then what I want to paste it is one of these coordinates. I forgot how the clone command works. Let's look it up. Clone command, Minecraft. You can't see the browser. Hold up, I'll change that. Hello, yeah. Now you can see the browser. Let's see the clone command. I forgot which coordinate we have to use for the clone command. So, okay, begin destination. This is the begin, target dimensions, destination. Coordinates of two opposing coordinates. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Destination is a block position. Specifies the lower northwest in Java Edition. We'll compose this. Okay. What is the lower northwest corner of the destination? Okay. Which direction is northwest? Let's check. South, east, north, east, north, west. Okay, so this corner. Okay, we just need this corner then. what is this corner? Minus 37, minus 60, minus 26. Also, I just realized, although we are going minus 46 to minus 60, this is actually this is decreasing by 14 blocks. It's not 16, it's 14. Okay. And then we are cloning this to minus 37, minus 60, minus 26. Okay. Minus 37, minus 60, minus 26. Done. Perfect. Now we can stack this command multiple times. It doesn't matter. And okay, there we go. Let's increase our speed. Too fast actually. No, so that actually lost us time. Whatever. Okay, so now we go. Let's set the redstone to the side. Let's go. Let's stack this because it's way quicker. Perfect. And then if I just use a button, this is the expectation. What? Oh, okay. Control Z. See, Axiom mode is like so fantastic. Firstly, all right. Okay, let's see. Let's see the animation. So you can see it is doing something. Okay. I mean, hey, that's kind of an animation. Let's fix it. Let's make it a bit more interesting. Hey guys, this is my submission. Oh my gosh, this is we are going to automate this. Okay, it's going to be so much better. Why is it going up now? Let's set this down here. You can just go there. This down, down. Let's go down, 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 down. Okay, and let's make this bounce now. Uh, something like this, 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 something like this. And maybe it's a DVD screen, so it's actually gonna go here, and then actually gonna go here, and then actually gonna go here, and this is where it ends. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. And now, if I animate this, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to actually see this, and let's play. This is our animation. Okay. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. I mean, hey, that's better than nothing. Okay, and if I change this to 2, I can go to the end. Perfect. Now our frame rate in theory should be faster. Okay, so this is in general what I want to do. I have a bunch of frames stacked up one after the other, and then I'm just cloning them into one particular screen. Of course, everything will be relative coordinates in the program, but this is in general what I want to do. Okay, so let's get to the programming part, which, hey, let's see what happens. Okay, how do I do this? Yo, everyone, you can see my screen again. Okay, this is a program I made a while ago, what I call MCIVAS Maker. This is in general what this does. What this does is if I open this, I can enter any image that I want. It doesn't have, it could be anything. And then if I load it, let's try it. In my pictures folder, there's stuff. So, let's try this school board. And then I can do some shenanigans. I can change the frame rate. I can do this. I can do that and all that. Okay, this is whatever. I took the slowest option. Let me select readme. It's supposed to be faster. Okay, there we go. Let's decrease the resolution because otherwise it might take a while. And if I just run this, if I go check the outputs folder, where do I check this? It should be here. Explorer. Okay, this is my output folder. This is the same drawing. This is the same art, same whatever creation, but made of Minecraft blocks. And okay, this looks kind of cool. I've already made this program from before, from a very long while ago. Now I basically want to port this functionality into Minecraft itself in the form of schematics. And it's probably not that hard, which is why I'm semi-confident I can do it quickly enough. So that's the goal of today. Okay. So, okay, we'll have to get a bit more technical here. I don't think I would be able to explain everything. Okay, this is a program. This is just doing stuff. The video part itself. Okay, okay. Firstly, my idea is I'm gonna take an input video, convert it into still images using a program called FFmpeg. The details doesn't matter. Basically, I'm converting a video into a lot of images, the frames, then converting the frames individually into Minecraft blocks using a library called MC Schematic and some programming that I've already done. And then join the whole schematic, whole thing together into one file, load it into Minecraft, and hope for the best, right? I guess. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so first things first, if I check the video folder, if I browse any video that I have a lot of videos. I can just load up anything. This is my default one to do. Let's load this up and it is the resolution, whatever. Okay, if you see, I have only two options. I can convert the video to any block or I can convert it into redstone lamps, which is fine. But for the image, I'll check the images. For the images, I have four options. I can also convert it into schematic. So the first thing I want to do is actually add an option to convert it into schematic. Actually, do I want to do that? That will be a waste of time. I can hard code the functionality in pure code. Um, okay, now let's add that functionality really quickly. Let's exit this. Okay. So where was the files? I have not done much here for a while. Okay. It's probably in the layouts. We go to the video tab. Mhm. So this is the VTS vid attributes. Fine. Quality. Okay, let's add video to any blocks. I'll work with the redstone lamp schematic later. I have a particular idea of how I want to do it. I want to do it in actual redstone. Since it's going to be redstone lamp schematic, I want to do it in pure redstone, and that requires me to make a redstone video player, which currently I do not have the skills to. So let's just go with that. So now, in theory, the program should just show that if I pick a sample video, which is here, effects, whatever. I should have this third option of any block schematic. Now in theory, this doesn't do anything right now because I have not fixed anything. But okay, I have the option now, which is great. Uh, okay. What is to do? What to do? What to do? What to do? What to do? Okay. If it's the redstone lamps option, it's just the redstone lamp key. Otherwise, it should choose. Actually, the speciality is just for that. This is the layout. Okay, so we have a manager for all of this, I presume. I should have commented this code better because I don't know where I am right now. Manage events, manage tasks, pop-up manager. I'm gonna guess it's here. Yeah. Submit VTS, video skip, video text enter, video type, advanced drop down, reset all, video run. Is there no console? I'll be honest, I'm kind of unsure what I'm doing. Like I thought this was dynamic and it shouldn't be. Okay, what is being pressed here? If I do this, we get a width type data type outwards. Okay, the library for manipulating the windows and all of that is called PySimpleGUI. That's not necessary to know though. I'm just mentioning it because why not? Okay. Let me look at this video run text enter with type. Okay. If I have any type, then I disable that and do any block type. Okay. if any in values. Okay, that's actually perfect. Then everything is kind of sorted already. I thought a little bit ahead, suppose, which is nice. Okay, so when that happens, what are we doing? Okay, when we press the submit button, what happens? Is there a submit button firstly? What are we clicking to finally run the program? There would be a button somewhere, right? Load, no. Advanced run, okay, the video run. So this thing is called when we actually run the program, and this should be found somewhere. Okay, this. So we get the frame rate. Okay, we will have to manage this because this is going to be a lot more complicated now. We only want to allow very certain frame rates here, right? Okay, let's just quickly add this then. I think it's going to be more easier that way. Okay, let's see first where to put it. So if I just quickly load up a video, I'll get something and all that. Redstone lamp options. Okay, the moment I switch to any block, I should have only filled frame rates to be able to choose. Right. So, okay. So we are going to have to change the frame rate itself, which is interesting. So can that frame rate with frame rate. Okay. This is fine. So I need to edit this slider. Okay. Instead of slider, then rotation range. Range is a tuple. A tuple float. Okay. Smallest interval. Perfect orientation. Volumes. Okay, I guess not a slider. Let's make a SG dot. I don't have not the library. Should it be like down? Sure. And there's it just stuff with the list of values. So what frame do we want? 1 FPS, sure, 2, sure. And we do 4. Okay, let's run some calculations. In a take the 20, in a second, there are 20 frames. You go frame every day, which is FPS. So let's go to the okay, so we can see. Then show every 2 frames, which is 10 FPS. Then show every 3, so which is 3 by 20, or is it 20 by 2? 20 by 3 is like 666, which I don't know how stuff is sorted. Let's upload this one for stuff. Whatever. 666166616. Let's actually let's make a strings. 6666 dot. Um, then we can do every 4 ticks, which is 5 FPS. And then we can do every 5 ticks, which is 4 FPS. We can do every 6. have been this thing. This is going to be visible now. True. And the other one is going to be invisible. So this is the frame rate with the normal one. So it's going to be visible to false. Otherwise, if there is no schematic word in that, then we're going to reverse this. So this is very simple. Let's save this. Let's test it. Go to the video, go to Dropbox, load this up. So we have this. Let's change this to schematic and it crashed. Wait time, schematic and waited time. So should it this be this? Yeah, okay, it should be that. But I messed up. That's fine. Let's just flip myself. Video, let's go to here, Jukebox, open, load. Okay, let's change the schematic. Yes, there we go. So we have this now. This is very strange. And, select. I can select whatever I want. Well, and this comes up. But if we change this to schematic, we actually have a drop down. Okay, that's actually perfect. I don't want this to be editable because that's horrible. Actually, do I want? No, I actually do not want it to be editable. No. Can I disable? I should be able to disable that. Um, disable font metadata. What is this simple? Set disable shift for element. Enable that's why we don't need for the size test. Only. Do I make it read only? That's a strange thing. If I set that to go, what happens? I mean, it's working. Okay, hold on. If it is working, let me be very clear. I want it to be a little bit better at this moment. I mean, like, while I can, might as well. So I can change this, but I cannot change them. Okay, perfect. This is exactly what I want. Awesome. Okay, now when we are finally running this, so with the runner, this is what happens if event is that it's it is that what where are we checking the attributes? If values of is it width type? I think it's width type. So type and if the word schematic and values of width type, then we set the frame rate is equal to this, but actually the longer version, which is this. So this one. Else, we use the normal frame rate. Okay, perfect. So if we have a schematic file, which is actually what is it exactly called? With scale return with attribute. There is a okay with underscore type. Uh, should be it as well. If event return with underscore. Okay, that's perfect. Which is that frame rate. We have all these quantities which we can basically ignore. Switch type, all that. Where is that? Values this. Okay. When that happens, when we finally run this, we go to build manager, which is something. Lambda grid manager, go to this, output. Okay, let's finally implement it, I guess. So we clean all of this up. Perfect. Huh. I haven't done that though, have I? Okay. How should I manage this though? Uh, okay, this is very interesting. I was not expecting this is how I implemented it. Okay, so everything happens before I actually do any sort of tests. My mic is so far off. Okay. Hmm. This might be trickier than I thought. Let frame count details frame. Is a frame count? Okay. Frame rate, frame count. If the frame rate size we change it. Frame rate. Let frame count. Actually, not. This is the exact same program we are doing here. But instead of this, we basically gonna copy this frame rate, but instead of it's being a rate, it's gonna be with frame cam. This one, and it's gonna put this one. Perfect. Alright, this should be it. Okay, once we are here, we get the processes. Okay, perfect. Otherwise, it's this frame count, frame manager, get frame count. Okay, right event, something. Okay, first we are converting everything to images because that is quick. Yeah, this happens fairly quickly. And the processing images, okay. Complete partial processing, image and audio. Okay, let me also audio. Okay, that's fine. So we get the files. For completed files and files, image count is this. Okay. Did we already start processing the images? Process the wait. Okay. Manage single image. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be tricky actually. This goes into manage single image directly, which does not account for the fact that we are doing a video now. So I need to make it different. Okay, this is difficult. Oh, wait, this is in Video Manager, huh? So what are we actually doing? And then it goes to that. Manipulation is replace video with images. Huh. Okay, so I think it saves it. Actually, you know what? This might work. Okay, I'll need to look up MC schematic by. So, this is MC schematic. Can I import a schematic? We can save a schematic. Can I import it? That's the question, right? Is there a docs? Is there some sort of documentation? Papa. Where's the library? I thought it was here. Um, save enums and all that. Where is the library? I'm just commanding is it so? I thought it was here, but it should be here. Papa.org. What? Where'd it go? There it works. Excuse me? This one. MC schematic. It's without an S. MC schematic. Okay. This is so strange. Okay, this is the URL. Perfect. Oh, okay. There we go. Um, Python 3.10, that shouldn't matter. It's a simple library as far as I've seen the source code. It does not look too bad. Schematic, MC schematic, blocks, this and that. Can I import something in it? Oh, I'm in Minecraft. Okay. If I can import, then that makes things a lot easier. One idea is that actually no. Uh, one idea is that we generate all the frames as individual schematic files, save them, and then we will load them again as one final schematic. I mean, there's no reason for that. In theory, we can do everything at once to save, but I guess it, in some sense, it saves memory a little bit, and we can start processing earlier. So that's great. I don't have to deal much issues with it. So actually, you know what? Let's go with it. I'm gonna assume it actually works. Let's actually check. It should work. I don't know, but I think it should work. If I just go to image to blocks, there's a schematic one I have made here. It's two blocks, blocks to schematic. Okay, something. Okay, okay. MC schematic dot MC schematic. This is a class we need to instantiate dot. Please get block data structure make copy. Oh gosh, can you not import a schematic? Get subschematic recenter block data. Let's look at it. Let's go to declaration. This is schematic. So what classes does this have? Save, place, get set block get structure. That is fine. Can I import a schematic? I don't know what the documentations are. This is the license. If I search for import in this file, import. Oh guys, there is no way to import it, is there? Oh my god, this makes it so much easier. Can we load a schematic? Which implements loading and saving from file. Okay, there is loading. Yes. Load path. Okay, we can load a path, which is incredible. The structure is a loaded path. If the type is MC structure, if the type is a string, we store the string. If we check the path, if we check with the .schem file, we run the default init, which just creates an MC structure, and then init from file we load a path. Okay, with the string it loads a path. Okay, yes. So okay, there is an implementation. Oh gosh, okay. Either I would have to make this implementation, like loading everything file by file, load somehow in some sense of way, or just use this. Okay, this is so much more nicer. I don't have to do a lot more work. Okay, we get a block data, we do something, processing, perfect. Okay, it's implemented, I'm happy. So we can use this. Okay, that's actually perfect. We have an output file, we have this, we have this. So now, since we have that, everything should actually automatically just work. Of course, I'll need to manage everything, but in theory, oh my god, I have to think so much. This is not a well commented code, if you can see. It's not very well documented either. Probably should have done more. There is a lot of stuff going on. Okay, let's see. So we get a schematic. No, we get images. We convert it into schematics using. So where does that happen? So we have an unprocessed file. We run this manage single thing, which changes the name. Okay, which goes into this thing, manipulate image, which is okay. Let's see this one. Manipulated. Okay, it's in the image manager, which takes that. Okay, yeah, this basically distributes. Okay, fair enough. I'm a bit confused. Okay, if we have an AnyBlock schematic, we convert it into image, it yields a value and it returns. What does it return? Where will it return though? Ah, okay, to those two more processing. Okay, it will yield a value at the end. Okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. I can manage this now. We'll have to create a new file. I think I know what to do now. I see someone else is also in the live stream. If you are very confused what's going on, I don't know where you can go. Maybe go like to like minus 43 minutes of the stream, minus 44, minus 45 minutes. Around that, I actually like start explaining like what I'm trying to do. But currently, what the idea is that I am trying to create a basically an animation. Okay, if I just run this, I'm basically trying to create an animation, but automatically. So currently I have hard coded every single frame here. I basically, I pasted this whole section of blocks. I just placed these wool blocks and using command blocks, I'm cloning this region, this frame, we can say, into the screen. And then I'm using some redstone to do that, all of that. Okay, but the point is, what I want to actually be able to do is have an input video, convert it all into frames, and then paste the frame somehow into Minecraft and automatically convert it into a video player so that it automatically starts playing the video. So that's currently what I'm trying to do, and this might take a while because I'm not very quick at coding. Okay, so where were we stuck before that? When completed files, that's fine. We did a video. Okay, before we even get to that, everything should happen before that. Okay, so while true, apply async. Okay, so start the processing early. Image done. While in the processed path should not be a PNG. Okay, this is kind of bad. Did I not account for this? Was it PNG? Okay, hold up. While Phenomena is generating those images to save time. Okay. If file count is greater than the current image file path is something. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, so what we're doing, so we have a process. We have a process that processes the images. To it, we are adding this function we are calling later on, manage single image. Okay, and then adding this. The process part should not be a PNG. This is wrong. This should depend on if it's a .schem file, right? Okay, so we'll add a quick check for this, I guess. How do I check this? Is it in details and something, something, something? How have I saved the frame rate? No, it's not the frame rate. What am I saying? Okay, here. So I am storing what I'm trying to do, video type. Where is video type being stored? It should be stored. Okay, with type is called manipulation. Okay, okay, that's interesting. So if manipulation, actually, no, 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 no. Oh, wait, hold up. Is that no? If manipulation is equal to, I guess we're storing the PNG as the blocks. The JPEG is being converted earlier. Video cache JPEG. Okay. File path is that. Okay, yeah, that's a different thing then. Okay, ignore what I'm saying. Hmm, cache folder, FF folder applies sync to this, to that. Test. I don't know what this is. File path. Is the file path defined? Yeah, I think I'd do that earlier. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Dot scam if is equal to if wait schematic and manipulation processed path is this, else we are storing a PNG. So this is the normal outcome, but if it's a schematic we want to store a schem file. Okay, that seems correct. You convert it to images to if schematic and manipulation, then we like something else we actually just write this. Okay. We converted video to individual schematics. Wait, no. Is that correct? Yes. That is correct. This is a processed path. Okay, yes. That is correct. Okay, so we converted into individual schematics. Perfect. Once that is done, update image is done. All that. Yeah, I've written most of this code already, so this should be fine. Just I have to manage this. We need to change the folder as well, no? Yeah, the video processing folder. So for this, let's make a new cache folder. So where would this be? Is there a cache? Yeah, there it is. So we'll make a new folder. Let's call this. Actually, we can do that programmatically. That's actually fine. Log this. Yeah, okay. Vid. So this is a cache folder actually. Vid. Actually, we're just storing that as JPEG, right? Everything else is in the cache, image process cache. So actually, it's just the cache. Actually, it's everything is just perfectly fine. So I don't need to mess with that. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Um, okay, I have lost track of what I was doing, which is annoying. No frames. Okay, we were before this, somewhere here. Number of, oh yeah, I need to add that again. That partial processing. Actually, no. We will have to convert it into images first. And that happens earlier, does it not? It should. That's what FFmpeg is doing, right? So we have a file path which is defined earlier somehow. File path is this. That's the other thing, no? FFmpeg video to image. Go to declaration. Okay, this is our folder. Okay, that's perfectly fine, and we are fine. We're chill. So we go here. So so initially the video gets converted into images, which is either JPEG or PNG. That doesn't exactly matter. Do this conversion. Okay, now when we're doing converting, our goal is to convert it into a schematic file. It will go into a processing folder, which is I guess the final folder, video processing folder, which is the process cache. Okay, that's perfect. So it goes into that. And since the program already knows it's a schematic, it will automatically make a schematic file. And I need to at the end I need to combine those schematic and also add up command blocks, which I think is going to be the trickiest part. I'm only starting to code right now, and we are not even close to being done. But okay, that's fine. Run the processes, images, schematics. Okay, once that's done, count the number of images. What are we counting there though? How are we counting this? Okay, by listing files, replace. Huh, why is this here? Plus file number. Okay, so this I kind of need to change. So we are processing it somewhere earlier. Run the process. Image is done. Video has been now converted to images and audio. Okay, we are only here. Okay, now that that is done, then what? Okay, so the processing that we have already done. Okay, from those we delete the things we have already completed, have we? Where are we getting the completed files from? Like that's just a random what? Video process folder. Okay, okay, that's fair. So we re-updated. Yeah, is this audible? Super. Replace .png with this and then JPEG, PNG. No. If it's a schematic, it's going to be a PNG file only initially, which is correct. And then, no. Actually, the completed file will be there. Okay, so hold up, hold up. So if, what do we call this? If schematic and manipulation. So we do something else, which is we copy this and instead of .schem we have a we have this. Else we just convert the PNG, which is the output after processing, and the name of file is file.jpg is that's fine. Okay, that's perfect. For unprocessed files and file process the rest of them is perfect. This one we have to put this back up again. That's fine. Or is it path.join? Or is it path.join? Finally, fine. Perfect. This is fine. Image process dot append this. We manipulate this. Perfect. Okay. Once that is done, processing. Okay. Okay. Once that is done, then here we are creating the ffmpeg command. This is only if it's not a schematic. If it's a schematic, we have to join that. So this is the actual part we are going to write now. Finally, image processing. Now, if schematic manipulation, then we do pass. Else, now we run this. Okay. Perfect. And I'm going to disable the cleaning up of folders and I want to see how the schematic files look. Okay, so this is done. The programming is done already till till the images part because it was already done, which is incredible. I'm so smart. I've already done that. I'm so happy. So in theory, this just works. If I just load this up, change this to any block schematic, change this to 5 frame rate, 8. That's fine. Let's say decrease this. Something. Okay, whatever. It's doing some calculations. 1x. It's actually big calculations. Uh, okay. Why is it not showing the single frames? Yes. We have the schematic files. We have it. Let's go. Okay. That's already a big deal. Okay, great. Awesome. It stopped at 8 by 9, which is interesting. Okay, later on we are going to clear up. But at this moment, this is really happy. If you check here, we have the schematics. And actually, I'm so excited. Let's look at one of the frames. Okay, we have, if I go, if I load the schematic, okay, how do I do this? Hold up. Let's go into Minecraft. I'm going to do this really quickly. So, put the schematic. Where is this? Minecraft. Uh, okay, this is a problem. Hold up. Almost done. Instances. My gosh, my folders name is so much. Okay, we have a test folder. Perfect. So this one we're gonna call 1red8. Paste this. This should be 192x192 only, so it should be pasteable. And this, so okay, if we go to test one, we have 1 meter 8. Huh. Why is it 120? What? Did it not calculate the resolution properly? Hold up, I need to see that. So where is that? Wait, name. What is this resolution? Hold up, I was not expecting that. It's 1920 by 1920. Why is it 120 then? That makes no sense. Okay, whatever, that's fine. If I load like the fifth one, perfect. Oh shoot! I mean, okay, it works. If I paste it, it will paste up, which is very cool. Let's paste this. I think it's fun. Did I not set up that command? Control M. Okay, hotkeys, execute operation as a KP, enter. There we go. Okay, I mean, it does something. This is better than nothing, but I want it to be firstly vertical. Oh my gosh, I forgot. This needs to be vertical. How do I put this information through? Ugh. I didn't think this through. This is so annoying. I mean, also, why is it 120x 120? And why is that lit up? What? Oh yeah, because it's spawned like that. Okay, that's fine. Let's remove this firstly. Okay. So firstly, I mean, okay, this is kind of the size of a screen that we might be expecting a little bit later on. It's not going to be horizontal. Okay, let's go back into the code. Yo guys. Okay, let's stop this program. Why was it that? We do need to update the resolution, like we did for images, which, why didn't this work correctly? This is very interesting. I was not expecting that. What are we doing? If we check the image tab, there is a scaling option, which is fine. No, the schematic. What does the schematic do? Image scale warning. Scale is a text which should be managed by this. What? Where did that go? Scale is just a text. This is a warning. Shows the okay, let's just check the code, bro. If I just load up a random image, this one. So it shows up this pixels besides the scale. So aside from the scale and on its right, we have something. How are we putting this there? Size. If I search up size already. No, like actual text size. Huh. How am I managing this in the video tab? Okay, if I search up size here. Something like here. What is it changing? Each block is 16 as well. Here, okay, this one. Resolution text of data. If schematic, we scale that by 16. Otherwise, we do this. Okay, honestly, this is simple enough. I'm gonna just like add this. And actually, this should be there already. No? Huh. Window image scale warning. Oh, okay. Fair enough. It's in the warning one. So in the video one, there should also be something like that. This one. Yeah, there we go. This is fine. Will that work? I am actually very concerned right now. Like, what are we calculating here? Because we are converting it into images. Yes. Uh, okay. We'll do this. Is a pixel. We are dividing that by 16 because that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Image size is 0. Hmm. Where am I getting image size from? Okay, this one. Get resolution. Okay. So this is updated constantly, which is fine. If I do this, if I go to schematic actually, and this is actually gonna downsample this, which okay, that's not how blocks works. And this is the full resolution at 16x. So this is actually 558 blocks. Okay, fair. That's fair enough. Which means we're just doing it directly, no? And otherwise we're scaling down. Oh, hey. Let's just do the same thing then, I guess. I guess we Do we point this out? If it's greater than 384 instead? I guess, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so we have image size. So let's send this up. What is scale is this? Okay. If schematic in values, this was submit though, this is submitting. Ah, okay. Yeah, so we repeat this. Okay, this is very interesting. So actually we should have this as a separate function. Just like here, we have update size, so we call it update size. Scale and values. I'm basically just copying this. Yeah, that even makes sense, you know. What is values? Okay, values is that. I mean, okay, we send the scale. And actually, just go here. And we just paste this. I mean, this is just it. Like, that's all we need to do. Instead of running this here, we just run the update side actually. Up. Again, we're going to do the same thing here, where we are actually scaling this. We are here. And here itself, we're going to add the schematic checks. There we go. Okay, perfect. Let me shut this down. We type, then we do something else. We do this. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Scale this, that. Okay. If So, okay, we are directly gonna just convert this. Total size is just this, yeah, to scale by 16. Okay, so let's copy this actually. Size actually not image info, but is image size even defined? Oh, it is. Yeah, it's here. Which shadow from outer school? Where? Oh, this. Screw this. I don't care. Actually, I do. No, let's undo this. We're using this global variable. Oh my god, why are we using global? This is not a great idea. Oh, this is why. Aha, this is bad code. But okay. So this is our actual sizing. 0, 380, actually 1 is greater than 384. Something like this. There we go. See with caution. Okay, perfect. Else we just will do. Else we just basically do this. all, and okay, this should work now, unless things catastrophically fail. If I load this, it crashed. Okay, fair enough. This. Okay. So you can do if we do enable schematic. Uh, no. Uh, what? Oh, it didn't update, that's why. Ah, that's why. Okay, hold up. We also need to update size. Okay, whatever, we will update it. That's not a problem. We also want to update size when this happens, actually. Perfect, that's fine. Let's change this to any block. Let's change this schematic. Okay, so this at least worked. The frame rate should also update, which is it didn't. How do I update this? So what is it? Actually checking this. Frame count. Where else is it being updated? When we change the frame rate, we also want to update this. Yeah. So when we get the schematic, we also want to do this. Sure. Otherwise, we want to do this. Save all. Perfect. Okay, this should work now. Let's check. Okay, finally, is it working? So this is it. Now when we change it to schematic, everything works. Okay. So the resolution is very high. If we decrease it, there's 480, 240, 120. Okay, that's fine. So is it dividing by 16? What is 192 divided by 16? It's 12. Okay, that's why it was 120 by 120. Okay, that makes sense. All right. So, okay, this part is done. And it also saves the schematics. So we are almost done, I guess. Now we just need to make it vertical. Okay, so okay, I'll show. problem. Let's set the frame rate to 4. Let's set the resolution to 2x. Enable schematic, sure. Celia, sure, that doesn't matter. Okay. Let's set this to lab, Readman. Actually exit this. Let's check if, actually no, it will work. That will work. Okay, so the difficult part is left now, I guess. All this, all this, all this, all this. I don't care. How do I make this vertical? How do I make a schematic vertical instead of the horizontal it's currently doing? Can I rotate a schematic? Is that possible? Hmm. No, let's look it into the schematic one. Is this it? I think so. Yeah, okay, so let's go into the schematic class. Knife rotation. There is rotation. Oh, okay, that's nice. I can rotate it, which is almost perfect. Get rotated lists. Random utils. Rotated block states. I can't change the axis though, can I? Huh. Okay, hold up. What's going on? If I go here, if I select an image, and on this one, let's load it. Let's convert it into any block schematic. If I select side, will this work? Okay, we'll cancel this. Okay, wait. Let's reduce the resolution. Hold up. Oh, is the program still running? Exit. Uh-oh. Stop. Okay, there we go. Okay, I need to test one thing. Have I already implemented this? I just need to check. Block schematic, reduce the resolution. I think this is fine. Let's run this. Perfect. Now, if I check the output, we have a schematic file. Paste this here. Let's go into Minecraft. Actually, let's switch into Minecraft. There we go. Let's load up the schematic. Is it on its side? No, it's not. Did I select side? Actually, I did. No, I didn't. It's selected top. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna quickly make a side version as well. Will that change anything? I'll check. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna import this as well. Okay, remove this one. What about this one? Oh yes, okay, okay, the side version is here. Perfect, perfect. Let's go. So, I know this works. I should just be able to force it to be a side version instead of like the vertical version. Like the because for a do I want that? Do I want it to be vertical? I mean, I don't see why not. It's a possibility. But that's just gonna make it harder to code. I don't have time. You know what? I don't have time. I need to submit this art project thing tomorrow, like by tomorrow. I don't have time. I'm gonna force the side direction for now. Okay. So this is something to remember. Let me change back to here. Let me stop this. Doesn't matter. Okay, we have a side here. We can force a side here, which is that's all I wanted to hear because this makes things easier right now. Side. What are we doing with the side? Is the side is top or bottom? We do this. Otherwise, we just do that. Okay, that's fine. What? And I just realized a problem. Once I have the all the frames as individual schematics, how do I actually like recombine them? Because they are all individual, aren't they? Uh, okay. Because I don't think I can join schematics. Can I? Wait, let's check. Okay, that would be a big problem. I mean, it would. I could probably solve this, but it would be so much convenient if I can just join. No. Okay, combine, flip. I saw flip. Why was there flip? Okay. As this kind of starts his journey. Okay, let's see all the features that are. Says you will flip. Okay. Okay. Can I paste a schematic into another schematic? So structure, center, get bounds, iterator. Uh, uh-oh. Is the generator made to iterate over every non-block? Okay, this might be good. Okay, this is a problem. I can't just join two schematics together. This is a problem. Floor block state. I don't. They should add that support. Maybe I had an issue. Okay, I'll do that maybe later. But for now, upstreams, I'll have to implement this. Do I make a custom version of the schematic library? No. That's too much work. And schematics. I'm just saying words right now. Okay, whatever. So once we are here, once we have done all the processing, we will have the files saved as numbers, each of the frames of the video. Once they have been converted into images, they will be converted into schematics, which are saved from 1 to 9. So that's there. Now what? How do we combine all the schematics into one single schematic so that everything can be pasted together in an animation? That's the goal, right? Okay, we will have to create a new file for this. Or can I do this here? I think new file would be better. Grid manager. Schematic manager. Oh, I have already written this. Oh, wow. Oh wait, wow, I found this. I didn't think this was here. Vertical horizontal orientation of schematics commands, frame speed 2010 5 for exactly, yes. This is the video is load to all other frames. 4 frames are skipped to match. Okay, that's fine, whatever. So once the processing is done, we know what the folder is. Okay, so we're gonna let's make a function. Make def make final schematic. Okay, so this is going to take the folder, right? So this is the process processed folder, which is a string, and just pass this for now. Let's go here from schematic manager, from src dot, this is in BitLogic, schematic manager, and let's make the final schematic. Okay, schematic manager dot make final schematic, and this is where we write the processed folder, the final output folder where all the schematics are saved, which is a video processing folder. All right, and now we do all the calculations here. Once we have a folder, we're gonna import everything. How do I import stuff? I forgot. What is this list? I can do this, yeah. So let's get the list of all files. All files is equal to, let's import OS. And I can test this here only, so this is great. List the process folder. Okay, let's make a test cases for this. So if underscore name underscore main underscore, and let's call main final schematic. And how do I do this? Resource path, assets cache. Let's, sure, let's call this. No, but like it's not gonna run this. What's resource path calling? Apps path, norm path, something. Okay, let's actually, this is perfect then. This is a nice helper function that I've made earlier. Assets path is this, and our video processing folder is this. Let's call this testing video processing folder because I don't want it to be, actually it won't matter. So let's go here. Let's print all the files. And also let's remove our outputs. Actually, no. We're in the cache folder, aren't we? So we go to assets, cache, image process cache. Yes, there it is. Let's print this. No, 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 no. Nope. Is it deleted? No, it's not. Okay, we are fine. Let's run the current file actually. Here's my current service record. What is the folder path? Assets cache, image processing cache. Yeah. System cannot find the. What do you mean you can't find the path specified? This is the path, no? Copy this. Let's see this path. What? Why? SRC logic. Oh. Oh, because we are running this file. Ah, okay. Let's do dot slash dot slash. Yeah, this one will work though. SRC. It's not in SRC, so dot slash again. Something like this. Okay, yeah, now we have all the schematics file. Perfect. Now, what just happened? How do I do that? Okay. Import MC schematic. Let's load all these. So process folder. Yes, that's fine. So, okay, all schems is equal to all schematic files is equal to a list of mc schematic file for file in all files, but it is not the it's actually processed folder plus file. So this is actually here. Actually, this is should be file. Here should be process folder plus file. Hmm. Oh, we are running it from here. This is the one we got. Do we have all the schematics? I'm not sure. I think this is an error. Hold up. If I actually just print this, what does this actually print? It's failing silently. Cache image process. Yeah. This is wrong. There should be another backslash here. System. Yeah, there we go. This is it. Okay. Okay, now does it work? Possibly. I don't know how to check. Okay. What can I do with this? So say we have a test mc schematic file is equal to mc schematic dot mc schematic. What can I do with it? Test dot save make copy play. Oh my god, we can place it. Yes, yes. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. So okay, we have a place schematic. Place schematic place the input MC schematics inside of this empty schematic structure of the input position. Input schematic. The schematic will choose to place the position and we might place the schematic. Okay, this is perfect. Oh my god. Okay, yes. Okay, it might be feasible before 12 p.m. This is 11:14. I think can we do this in half an hour? I hope so. Okay, it says the structure of the place, something. Okay, place structure. I think this is it. Not a structure, place structure. What are you calling though? Or do declaration? This? Go through proposition. I shouldn't have to use set or it's too easy to implement. I don't understand this, but I think I understand this. So you know what? Let's test it. I'm just gonna I have what I want. I basically have what I want. This is exactly what I wanted. It can't get any better right now. Okay, so we can place the schematic. We need to get the side, no? We need more details. How do we get the details? Is this on a side? Is this wait, okay, what can I do? Test, hold up. Else can I do? Test dot get size, can I get the size? Get structure? What does get structure do? Does that give me the size? This is set block. Okay, what does get structure do? It doesn't have the structure scope object. No, I want the size. How do I get the size? Because I can also figure it out in here in theory. The schematic, the structure, make copy, get schematic, get block, data, get structure. I don't have the size here, which is not a big deal. I can just pass that along. This is fine. That's not a problem. Okay, let's also pass along a size. No, why am I calling it size? It should be a direction, no? Yeah, let's call this the direction. Direction. If it's on the side, yeah, the clone command won't work. No, then this is the problem. This is only gonna work in like one of the direction, like north, east, west, south. How do we make it independent of that? Or like, do we just not do that? I mean, that's a possibility. You can just not care. Nah, I do want that. So I need to add another sort of detail, which is not easy. Why is there so many tabs open? You know, let's close. Firstly, let's close all of them. I don't know what I need right now. I probably don't need that. Probably don't need this. Probably don't need this. Yeah, I do need this. Okay. What do we need? What do we want to do? We need to do that. How do I get the direction? What should direction even mean? Block size. Okay, this front back side. Should there be north, east, west, south? That sounds stupid. Like, okay, top and bottom are very easy, but if we are working with commands, there is no sense of relatively where we want to place based on the schematic. I guess we can have like a structure that in some sense we can have a detector that detects the direction the schematic is placed in, so it could be more dynamic, but that sounds very annoying to me. Okay, let's go into Minecraft and let me tell you what I'm trying to say. So, okay, say we paste this, say we have this, okay, uh, how to say this? Say we have this, our animation, and this animations work pretty well. The cool thing about this animation is, the horrible thing about this animation is, I basically cannot move this animation because every single command block basically clones to a very fixed spot. In this is our test animation. What's going on is that we just have command blocks that is cloning every single frame and it's just pasting in this screen. Okay. The problem is I cannot move this. Of course, if it's a schematic that I'm making, I want it to be relative. I can do that. I can probably do that. Like, for this command block, it needs to paste 1 2 3 blocks ahead instead of and this command block needs to place 5 blocks ahead and so on and so forth. I can do that, but what is ahead? This is a problem, right? Command blocks, they don't really have a sense of aheadness. They have sense of coordinates. They can know if I want to paste like 3 blocks east or want to paste 4 blocks west. If I rotate this whole structure, let me clone this actually. If I clone this, cancel. Let's go here. Actually, let's go one lower. And if I go here, I can clone this. I mean, of course, it's not gonna work anyways. Control rotate. Yeah. Like for instance, if I do this, the command blocks don't know what's going on. Like these guys are cloning based on if a block was here, like if its frame was something like in this direction. Like if the video frame was like something like this, in this direction, not this direction, the currently what it is. How do we make this recognize them? One way is we can have that as an option, which directions the command should face. Another way I'm thinking is we have a structure in here which somehow detects direction, and based on that, it changes which command blocks get activated. And that seems kind of tricky to implement. I don't think I have the time for that. I can do it. I think it's possible. I can do it. Some sort of mechanism that detects which way is north, south, east, west, and based on that, activate only the particular command blocks. I can do that. I don't think I have the time for that. So, okay, you know what? We're gonna force a direction for now. Let's force this in the whichever this direction is. I don't care at this point, you know. Okay, you know what? We're gonna force a direction. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna force this. Okay, so we have a schematic. This is a final schematic. Schematic. Let me make a schematic. You can place the schematic. Nope. So in the final schematic, let's okay for I comma schem and all enumerate all schematics. So we have an index. We have let's just go one by that index. Okay, so final schematic dot play schematic. Let's see what happens. Okay, so incoming schematic is our schematic, and the location is let's say 0 comma 0 comma 0. I still need to force that, don't I? Uh, okay, no, but okay, the direction, yeah. What if it's like north and like up and down? Oh my gosh. Screw it. You know what? We will implement that later. Let's add that as a to do. To do directions. Perfect. And for now, we're just gonna set that to east. Screw that. I don't know what that means. This is a string, and this is just east. And you know, I don't even care to do this. Does east even make sense? I don't know. What direction is east? If I go east, northeast, why am I saying east? It decreases the front one. Yes, actually, this is east. Yes, east is the correct one. So the x coordinate is increasing for the east direction. Okay, that's fine. So let's go 0 comma. So we have I comma 0 comma 0. Yeah, perfect. I guess this is it. That is that it? If I just paste this, actually, let's do 2i because we can then see the gaps as well. And can I just paste this schematic now? Is this just done? Schematic dot save. Let's set the folder path to just our process folder plus slash plus out.schem. Is this done? Hold up. Have we just done it? Okay, this is the file folder path name. Well, that will be sick if it's just done. Version, we need to set the version. Okay, let's set the version. MC schematic dot. How did I set the version? Okay, I think we are almost done already. Aside from the command blocks, I think we can paste a whole video now since we have simplified stuff so much. Uh, where is this? Okay, let's go down. We are not saving here. We are saving in the image manager. Are we? Yeah. So image to blocks. Schem. Save. Okay, MC schematic dot version. Okay. MC schematic dot version dot JE underscore 1 underscore 20 underscore 1. Sure. Let's go with this. Let's run this. Oh, it's done. Okay, imagine if it's just that simple. So where is this? Out skim. I don't- Justin. Why is there so many out scam? Why is there two scam? Ah, because it should just be out here. Oh, okay, screw that. That's fine. Why is this such a small file? Hold up. I think something has messed up dramatically. Let's go in Minecraft. Can I just load this? 154, 120. Yeah? Ah, I see the problem. It is pasting. Yes. Actually, you know what? This technically has worked. The problem is if I remove this, let's remove this. Okay. I know the problem. Okay. This is very simple to fix. Make final schematic. Anything is saved there. Okay. Actually, I should just be able to run the main program. Go to the video stuff. Hold up. Are we done? Almost already. Aside from the commands. Yeah, this will be hype. 7 FPS, that's fine. This should be side. Hmm. Okay, are we done? It was on the side. Of course, it won't be in the cache folder. It's gonna be in the out folder. Aha. Well, that's a problem. I didn't account for. Okay, yeah, hold up. Yeah, I see the problem. Okay, this is not a big deal. I can fix this. I'll do that later. It doesn't matter. Manager tab, Bit manager. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna not clean the folders for now. Actually, is there an output folder? Because if this just works, then that's actually even better. I think it's gonna fail though, because I've probably missed something. I have a feeling. Let's set this to side. Okay, let's go. Oh no, why did 31? No. Okay, I guess this is kind of a test for this. Alright, now we wait. failed. No such file or directories. This out. What the hell? Oh, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. That's why. This should not be. Okay, that's not how file paths work. That's why. Okay, root path is not a video for this case. Root path. Where's the image manager? Scam name. Did this change? I think this changed. This was not supposed to be scam name. Ah, okay. Wait, no, what? Was the path dot split output as a string? Oh, okay, this is fine then. We just use this. Actually, yeah, this works. Yeah. Okay. Right now the problem is this. The 4. Okay. I think this should do this. Finally, let's run this. And we should be side. Alright, I hope this works now. Oh, wait. Maybe I should have put some music in the background. I forgot to do that. And done. Yes, it's done. Why is this camp file so small? Is this it, right? Yeah, 30, 35. Yes, this is it. Why is this camp file so small? No, 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 this is bad. Yeah, no, this ain't it. Okay. It is on the side, I will admit. Huh. You try to paste it like this. I think it did. Yeah, this is why I should have tested this before running this stupid program. Oh. X, Y, Z. This should be it. Ah, okay. Because it is lengthwise, I'm gonna guess. This is why. Okay, now it will work, probably. Now let's go for the whole thing. Let's do this. And you know what? I'm feeling risky. Side. Perfect. Let's go lab, readment, actually HSL, readment. 8? Yeah, let's go for it. I have 8 processes. Why not? It won't update till the first 8 because of this. Hold up. Yeah, okay, there we go. Yeah, but it should be much faster because we are using more processes. And this should be the last two. Okay, done. Is this a big file? Yes, 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 yes. There we go. Okay, please. Yes, load. Oh my gosh. Yes. Why is this green? Um, yes. Let's paste this somewhere else. Okay, we pasted a little bit more further away. And is that what block is this? Converted sponge? Why is it converted sponge? What is this? This powder? Oh, okay. Oh, that's a problem. I didn't think of. Aha. Let's paste this here. Actually, yeah. There you go. Enter. Paste. Yes. Okay, we have done this. So this, in theory, I could now put the command blocks in place. So you can see if I go through the image from the side, like here, you can see the jukebox has that go lower. Actually, why isn't this going lower? Oh, it just stopped abruptly. Oh, we only did the few frames. That's why. Ah. Okay, so the program is bugged. FFmpeg is bugged. Okay, that's a problem. Aha. It should have gone on longer actually. Ah. Or it should, I mean, this should have worked. I mean, this should be dynamic. Wait, no, the disk goes in. Wait, why is this there? Wait, hold up. Huh? Why is this dude here? Why is this, what is this doing? Who are you? What are you doing? Why are you here? Why is this all messed up? Oh, it's not sorted. Oh, of course, of course, of course, of course. It's not sorted. That's why. I should have firstly increased the distance. But okay, I get it, I get it. So it's almost working. It was just not sorted. I just need to sort the things before doing this. Okay, how do I sort this? Let's go back into programming. We are almost done. I just need to implement command blocks now. Do I have time? I think I can do this. Okay. We're forcing this. We'll have to use scoreboards. Can I just put two command blocks on the side? I can. Can the position be minus? Yeah, you know what? Sure. If we set the position to minus, I put the blocks on the side. Everything is placed this way. Is minus position even defined? I actually don't know. Okay, whatever. I have an idea on what to do. Let's disable the cleanup. We don't want to clean up at this moment. We're going to generate the frames and not clean them up. It should not be cleaned up then. It's disabled. What do clean up? Assets, cache, process, cache. Yes, it's not cleaned up. Okay, this is fine. This is great. This is awesome. Okay, so I can just directly run this one then. No, stop. No, 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 no. Please don't delete it. Okay, it didn't. It's on the current file. Output, we need an output folder. Let's just use this folder only. Plus out.scam. So this is a output. What? Ah, okay. This is why. Slash out.scam. Okay, this is fine. We can delete this. Let's make this 3i just to see this. And we want to actually sort the files, which is a thing. Print all files. So if I just run this 1, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 30, 4, 5. How do you sort this? That's a good question. How do you sort this? Sort. Okay. Python sort based on number and string. Human sorting, natural sorting, yeah. Okay, so since everything is just a number, if we want to sort it, yeah, okay, yeah, we can just do that. Okay, that's not a problem. Uh, print, let's make a new list. Okay, all files, let's make it int of x for x in int of x dot split. We split with a dot. Okay. Do you just have all the numbers? No. No, this should be 0. There we go. Out. Invalid int with a base 10 out. What does that mean? It's 0 out. Oh, that's why. What? Ah, okay. We have this file. Ah, okay, that's why. If not out in x. There we go. 10679. Okay, that's fine. There we go. Can I now sort this? There's the pipe. Is there just like a sort function? No. Okay, whatever. Dot sort? Yeah, okay, screw it. Let's just sort this. Okay. L num list is equal to, I mean, it's just numbers, I guess. It doesn't really matter. Let's sort this. Let's just print num. This is terrible. We can just also like just check for the largest number as well, but okay, wait, hold up. Num list dot sort. Okay, that's perfect. So now we do num list. What do we do? Once we have a list, we just use this list instead of that. Plus a file and actually num list plus dot schem. So actually we do an f string file dot schem. Okay, this should just work, and this is our out file 21 MB. Out dot schem. I have so many out files. Okay, let's check out. There we go. What? What? Huh? Oh, this is the wrong one. Okay. Out. Just good old out. Okay. Ah, my game's lagging. This is it. So now the disk is just going away slowly. Yep, there we go. Yeah, it's going smoothly down in the disk. Okay, perfect. There we go. I've got it. So we have this down. Now, now I just need a screen and I need a text box. Okay, current idea. We're gonna just clone all these just in the front. This is in the Z direction. These are in the north direction. So we actually hold up. This is the Z direction, and it's a decreasing. Yeah, no, it's the increasing Z. Okay, okay. So I know what to do now. We're increasing the Z. Okay, that's fine. Done. Scam this. Okay. Now finally we get to the part I'm kind of worried for. The actual commands. So we need to make a command block for each of these frames. And for now, what I'll do is that each of these frames will paste onto the front. and add whatever tick rate we get. So I should actually have a details input somehow. So just, I mean, the output is good, but we need frame rate as well, don't we? Actually, what details will we need from this? If we just go to the video tab or the manage video tab, I should probably save this right now. Just make a quick commit just as a backup. I guess it won't matter. Why can't I change this? Okay, there we go. Just call it vid scam implemented without commands. Just commit this just as a backup. Okay, let's go back here. So for each of these schematic, we are also, let's make this dense. I don't want it to occupy too much space. For each of these, final schematic dot set block position is -1, comma 0, comma I is a block data, which is a command block. Oh, oh, uh-oh. Wait, this might be a problem. Hold up. The block data is a string format representing any string used in commands such as set block or fill. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I just realized the whole thing might just get ruined here. Minecraft slash fill with NBT. Can I do that? Oh, okay. I can do that. Items just like that. Okay. Not everything is lost, I think. So for this, we can just use MC Stacker now to generate the command, I think. So we have a set block, block coordinates is something, doesn't matter. Let's just call this. Let's call this command block. And now I want the NBT, like an actual command for it to run. Tab powered unset. Okay, this is a normal command block. False facing command. Okay. Slash. This we can dynamically do, but clone. We want the sizes as well, right? So we do want some details. So, okay, you know what? Let's also send a details dictionary to this. Is a dict. Scale, manipulation, scale, output. Okay. Where is this calculation being done? So we have details, process count, side, quality, size, yeah. scale is that. Scale is managed other way. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm tired though. Yeah, okay, I remember what I was doing. I need to get the details. The details are only given here, which is this dictionary. That doesn't tell me the size of this stupid this. Okay. My voice is going down, which is not great. Let's just pass around the details dictionary. And for this, our details dictionary is this, and all it has is what? Side is something, quality or scale. But I want the resolution. Now, how do I get the resolution? Mode, blockless quality of frame rate, the third, compare. That's a very good question. I don't know how to get the resolution. Which is how? Hold up. How do I get that? Because that's like a completely separate thing, isn't it? Like I have to go here, this thing. This gives me the blocks and also not exactly. Why can I not get it from the schematic? Okay, hold up. Auto declaration. Is there no size command? File size. There's file sizes. Okay, how do we get the size, height, schema? Oh, yeah, there we go. Schema height. Is that an attribute? It's for the save. But like, I'm not storing that anywhere. Like, is that not a variable? Huh. That's annoying. Okay, wait. Oh, it's computationally. Wow. Why is this like away? Like, oh man. Okay, wait. Let's remove this. We only need to get the size ones because every single image is of the same size, right? So, let's get the size ones. So we have uh what do we call frame size. And this is very simple. Since it's a 2D image, this is actually not that big of a deal. Dot underscore structure dot get bounds. And let's just print this frame size once. We're gonna comment this out for now. And let's just run this. 199 to 00. It's negative. Wait, that's interesting. That's not what I was expecting. Okay, does that make sense? If you look at this, so this direction is increasing, but I think we are starting to draw from the bottom corner or the top left corner, and then we are iterating. So we are going this way, so that's negative. Okay, that makes sense. Fair enough. But that means actually we need to put this at 1, not -1. Putting putting this at 1, 0, 0, not -1, 0, 0, because all schematics at the moment have a negative bounds. So like they are going the negative direction. Interesting. Okay, at least we have this. So this is that's good to know. I actually don't need the details then, I think. I mean, I still need the frame rate, no. So I guess that comes in the details. So in the details we have a frame rate. So that's just like the one thing I need. I basically don't need anything else from here. So I might just make that into a variable instead. Remove this from the image manager. I don't need that. Is there a frame rate? Yes, there is. The frame rate is just a number. Okay. Frame rate, let's set this to 10. I don't know. How many files are there? 32. I think it's 20 actually. 32 frames, 60 FPS, 3 seconds. Yeah, actually that's correct. No, that's 1.5 seconds. 1 second, two. I'll slow it down. That's fine. Okay. Actually, you know what? Screw it. We're just gonna do for 20. I'm tired right now. I don't have time to do. It's 12 p.m. Nah, why is it so hard? I at least have the bounce, so that's good to know. Something, 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 to something, 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 to 1, 1, 1. I don't know. Yeah, this is good enough. So basically this. Well, and this is in a normal quotes. And I cannot f-string this because this counts as a normal character. Unless we have Python 3.12. I do have Python 3.12 and I can do that, I think, now. Um, okay. So this is minus. Okay, this is so painful. This is actually all I need. Do I turn this into an F string? Sure. Let's backslash this and this. Can I do that? No. Oh wait, I have an idea. Okay, nah. Okay, that's perfect. So what are we cloning? From this to this to this to this to this to this. Okay, but we need to offset it by 1, -1 specifically. Yeah. And this is okay, sure. Maybe we need to put this in an execute, no? When we are doing it that way. Because this is annoying. -129. Okay, so this is frame size 0, 0, -1 because it's to the left. 0, and this is just I to 1. This is not 0, this is actually 0, 1. -1, yes. 1, 1, not -1. And this is just I. Again, we are being dense here. And where do we do this? Okay. Everything is relative. 0, 0, 0. So if it's a 0, we don't need anything. No. Does this work? Can I just do command blocks? There's set block. So we have 0. I can do that. Okay, awesome. So I want this actually to be +2 here, so -2. But since it's the, which corner is it? Okay, so northwest. Which direction is northwest? East, northwest, northwest, northwest. This corner, bottom, northwest. So this is, we are the least x. So since it's the least x, it should be this. And this is just 0. I guess, yeah, that's just 0. And the previous one is -2. What is this? This, I, this, this, -2. Okay, yes. Okay, there is still nothing to activate this. So this should only run if we have execute if we need to make a scoreboard. The scoreboard objectives add frame number dummy yeah, that's whatever, it doesn't matter. uh Execute score. No, if score at a, okay, that's just me, frame number matches one dot dot. So we need a fake player for this, so let's call it hashtag score. No, frame frame number frame number matches one, run say hi. Okay, so we can do that. Okay. So we need to make a scoreboard. Make a scoreboard frame number, and we iterate 0 to highest of fake player hashtag this one. Okay, matches. This will be I. If it's 0, undefined. Yeah, that's whatever. Perfect. And just above that, we need 1 comma 1 comma I. We need a block data of another command, which just actually increases it. So we just add 1 to the frame count. Okay, that's relatively easy enough. So we have a chain command block. Chain command block, there we go. Conditional, um, true. So should the previous one be a repeating command block? Yeah, actually, yes. So we search repeating command block. Up. hi. Okay, should it be power? Sure, sure, may as well. We now set this for the chain command block. Again, conditional true facing up, power true, command scoreboard, scoreboard objectives, no scoreboards, players, add, hashtag, frame number, I will call it frame number, the frame number, or frame number one. So this is the exact command we made. Okay. I guess until we set this to 0. Set this to -1 just in case it doesn't, just in case it starts. Yeah, I think we are done. So now if I just run this, it fails. Awesome. What? Parser and parser. Okay. JE underscore. Okay, this is a problem. I'm just automatic. Is this not what I accepted? See, this is an old one. Right, right, right. Okay. So why is this not working? Why to open this? Is it just not accepted? Uh, okay, let's check old MC stapler. And I like do something like that. Set block somewhere. Chain command block. Wait. Conditional true facing up. Command say hi. Something like that. The syntax is the exact same though. What? This is the old one. No, yeah. The syntax is the same. Why is this failing? Oh no. Invalid token. Pass invalid. From handler here. If handler is none, invalid literal. Otherwise, turn handler brackets. This is not a good command blocks. Plus this, plus clone. And it should work. Okay, hold up. Facing up, power execute if score this matches percent I. That's a problem. This should be an F string. This. Yep, that seems correct. And it's facing problem while saving. We have the save. We are going here. Self NBT. Self the block entity to scheme component. Inside it, we have an NBT component that passes the NBT into a compound. Oh gosh. Can I just get this done today? I'm like so close. It's just like few more lines, but there is a problem now. I don't know how to fix it. See if I just go set block. Oh. This is why. I forgot a quotation mark. That makes sense. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay. It's not over. Oh, it's done. Let's go. 16 MB. That seems small. Let's replace this. Okay. Have we done this? Is this done? Is this finally done? Our command blocks are here. In theory, in practice, I don't see them. Okay, what if I would just paste them? They are not here. Why are the command blocks not here? What's going on? Why are the command blocks not here? What is this? I guess, yeah, it's interacting and all that. That's fine. But where are the command blocks? Did they get overwritten? No, I meant the repeating command block. Oh, okay. Now this is interesting. This is not where I was expecting them to spawn. So it's negative. Oh, wait, hold up. Is this gonna work? We're almost there, so I was not expecting them to be minus, though this is a problem to the current position. You know what? For this, let's try this. No. This is wrong. This won't work, firstly. Let's try this. Let's see what happens. 0. Firstly, they are just not at the correct spot I thought they were, but that should not matter if I just set this to the lower point. Okay, since it's gonna be negative anyways, these are not powered though. It should be auto actually. Wow, not powered, auto. we are increasing I, so we have to decrease I. So just run this. Let's see what happens. Ah, wait, this is a problem. This is not how I thought Scobots would work. Okay, hold up. Uh, okay, this is a problem. I wanted to iterate every tick and not just do this. How do I make this do that? Well, everything runs in one single tick, which is very annoying. Like, is a chain instant? Okay, so say we have this set block. So which direction is this? We are decreasing by stack this. tick. Okay, I kind of want it to be like this. So that's going 20 at the rate of 20 blocks per second. Hmm. How do I get that but with scoreboards? I guess we have a different scoreboard counter, something that runs every tick earlier, and this chain command block just does not exist maybe. So okay, let's get rid of this. So okay, what we can do is we just make a quick this here. What do you say? So this chain, it just goes into this until we reach the end. Right. Ah, okay. There's a problem. Oh gosh, I didn't think that would happen. Okay, we have a screen, I suppose. I mean, that's better than nothing. And at the end, what we can do is one chain command block. Condition always active. So this sets this to 0. And when this triggers, because the chain command blocks go instantly, so this should actually activate this repeating command block. This sets this to -2. Okay, these command blocks. Okay, the idea is we remove these and add this instead. Does the name start from 0? No. Okay. Okay, this is fine. I don't want this to be here. I want this to be like at the bottom, which is the y coordinate. So this is actually name says 0, 1. Yeah, sure. Okay, there we go. Hello. Why didn't this work now? So where is it? Oh yeah, it's relative, right? So this should work. Why is nothing working? Seven. This. So why don't I see this? Yeah, okay, this should work. Is it not working? Minus 120 minus 100 to minus 100. Yeah. Well, why is this not working now? Oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh, I'm tired. Why is this not working? Okay, let's get it. That's 0. So from its location, I want to run this command. It really should work. Huh? Yeah, this should work. What is going on? Test. Yeah, that's working. Why is this not working? Okay, hold up. Oh, this is why. What do you mean out of this world? How? My wonder is literally just here. Like, is the simulation distance low? Why is this out of the world? Everything is relative. It's one, relative, 0, relative, this, relative, relative, relative. Yeah. Ah, oh my gosh, of course. This is why. Ah. Okay. I know the reason. Because it actually does need to be on the top. This is why. Stupid. Basically, need to negate this now. Oh my gosh, so many schematics files I've tried. Please be the last. Set this to -2 first. Please work. Yes, yes, it worked. It worked. Yes, yes, we did it. Oh my gosh, it finally worked. Let's go. Okay, it works. Awesome. Oh my gosh, it works. Let's go. Alright, let's finish this off now. I know this works. Awesome. I don't really want to use concrete. I don't know why this was selected of all blocks, but okay. At least I know it works. And this is 20 FPS. Awesome. So now let's do something cooler. Alright. I can do 192x108 because that's within the resolution bounds. So what should we quickly record to do this? Hold up. Now that I'm done. Let's go. Alright, this is done. Question is now what do we record? Quickly. This is a quick song I was originally like working on. I wanted to make a custom background music for this, but this is, I mean, it's not that. It's not at all that. Yeah, nothing is done. No. What do we do? What do we do? What do I do? Wait. What if? Hold up. Use this, what it's called, blocks. Okay. I could record this. Okay, alright. Anyways, since I have done the program, I think I'm gonna stop the live stream now. Or should I quickly do this anyways? Um, oh, the question is, what do I do? Okay, you know what? Fun idea. Let's make a 3x3 piston door. which has Minecraft block in it. Oh no, that sounds bad. Well, I don't think it will have enough resolution. That's the problem. Uh, Another identity. This will be 1x divided by 16. That's 120. Okay. What do I do? Hold up. Okay, hold up. I think low is fine here. Yep, and then we loop back. Okay, what if we loop back? One, two, Okay, honestly, this sounds decent enough. Looks decent enough. So let my inventory be cluttered. So, okay. Okay, hold up. I don't think this will show up very clearly. If I reduce the resolution, for instance, where is it? Hold up, why is there no resolution changing option? Oh well. I don't know. So should I just do this? I don't know if this will look good though. Um, hold up. So can I record this while I'm in game? Wait, can I start recording this? I can. Okay, hold up. Honestly, good enough. So if I go into the videos that I just recorded, this should be here. There we go. I just need to really quickly edit this. Guess, yeah. How do I edit this? I have this shell encoder. This is actually pretty cool. And then I'll pass it through this. Wow, this is like so useful. Not advertisement. I actually did want this features. Okay, whatever. Can I cut without recording? I can. Is it just me or is the audio quality like horrible? Oh no. Wait. Hello. Hold up. I need to test this. Um. hold- Hello. 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 Okay, that sounds fine. Um. Hello. Uh, okay, yeah, this is fine. Hello. 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 Um. Hello. Hmm. In this, I can. Okay. Oh my God, the quality sounds so horrible. This time, what I want to do is reduce the resolution. Is it possible to do that in here? If so, that would make it a lot easier. Conform, noise extract, conform. Okay. Before scale this down to 25%. Okay, so how much should I do it to get 192x? So since it is divided by 16, 1920 divided by 16 is 120. So not this. So what if we divide by 8? So that's 240. But we need to divide this by 2. No, 1.5. No, 1.2. 1.3. 1.4. 1.5. 1.32. 1.33333. No. Will I only get that? What is 240x 1920 divided by 8 is 135. 240 into 135 is 32,400. 3 to 7. Oh my god, this is actually perfect since it's going to be divided by 8. So actually, we don't care. Not here at least. Then we run our program. Okay, I think it's almost done. We take an input, the video that we just recorded, and this has a lot of frames. Let's convert it to any block. We have its side. Let's blacklist all the concrete powder. So, okay, this is gonna take a while. because I don't want it to like fall and all that. I mean, I suppose it doesn't matter. Let's go to lab. We are going to do CIE, which is the most expensive option. Let's increase the processes. And I think I'm going to finally stop streaming because this will take a while to generate and I'll just see it later. All right. So, yeah, that is it. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed it. I guess not. I mean, there is actually just me watching this, but yeah, that's it. Goodbye.